Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful crafts by using sugar syrups. So for that, you have to take a sugar syrup in the spoon and make the cartoon characters like this. Next, we'll be creating some cute cartoon characters. Here we'll be making a dog. So first we will make its mouth. Now make its hairs on the sides. Now we will complete its face, draw its ears, draw its big googly eyes. Now we will make a hole in the between. Now we will make its legs and complete its body. Make the fur on the sides like this. Make the cute ponytail of the dog on the back of it like this, as shown in the video. Now take a stick and fix it. Give more finishing and the furs to the dog, and your cartoon character or the craft will be ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Next, we'll be creating cute cartoon character. So here we'll be making a sunflower. Now put the sugar syrup like this and spread it. Make the lines on it using a blade or a scale. Make its petals, stems and leaves like this. Fix a stick and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a cartoon character, Bob. For that, we will take a spoonful of sugar syrup. Now draw the lines like this. Make its big googly eyes. Now we will make its nose and mouth. Now make its two cute teeth. Now we will complete its body. Make its tie on the neck. Now draw its legs. Draw its hands. Fix the stick like this and it's ready. Next, we will make the circle like this. So here we are making a cute cartoon character. Draw the zigzag lines like this. Now after that, we will make its eyes on top of the lines. After that, make its mouth. Now draw its ears on the sides. Make its cute legs and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Next, we'll be making a cute butterfly. First, draw the lines like this to make its wings, make its body, draw its antenna, fix a stick in the between and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.